forum experienced some downtime due to a necessary major server update. During this period, the site was inaccessible for approximately 24 hours. This maintenance was essential for improving performance and security of the forum software. The server update involved several key procedures. Firstly, backing up the existing forum data was performed to ensure no data loss occurred during the update. This backup included the forum database, attachments, and user information. Secondly, the server operating system and related software were updated to the latest versions. This step included applying security patches and performance enhancements. Thirdly, the forum software itself was upgraded to the newest release. This update addressed various bugs, security vulnerabilities, and added new features. Fourthly, the updated forum software was tested on a staging environment to ensure compatibility and stability. This testing process involved simulating various user scenarios and monitoring server performance. Fifthly, after successful testing, the updated forum software was deployed to the live production server. This deployment process was carefully monitored to ensure smooth transition. Sixthly, post-deployment, the forum was closely monitored for any issues or errors. Any problems encountered were promptly addressed to minimize user disruption. The server update process involved several technical aspects. Firstly, the database server required upgrading. This included optimizing database queries and ensuring efficient data storage. Secondly, the web server configuration was adjusted to handle increased traffic and improve security. Thirdly, the forum software was customized to integrate with other site services and third-party tools. Fourthly, security protocols were enhanced to protect against potential threats and vulnerabilities. Fifthly, caching mechanisms were implemented to improve page load times and reduce server load. The downtime experienced during the update was necessary to ensure the long-term stability and security of the forum. The benefits of the update include improved performance, enhanced security, and access to new features. The updated server infrastructure is designed to handle a growing user base and increasing traffic volume. The update also addresses several known vulnerabilities in the previous forum software version. These vulnerabilities could have potentially been exploited by malicious actors, so addressing them was a high priority. The update also brings several performance improvements. The updated forum software is more efficient in handling database queries and rendering web pages. This results in faster page load times and a smoother user experience. The new forum software includes several new features and enhancements. These features include improved search functionality, enhanced user profiles, and better support for mobile devices. The updated software also includes a more robust spam filtering system. This system helps to reduce the amount of unwanted content in the forum. The server update was carefully planned and executed to minimize downtime. However, unforeseen issues can sometimes arise during complex server maintenance procedures. The team worked diligently to resolve the issues as quickly as possible and restore access to the forum. We understand that downtime can be frustrating and apologize for any inconvenience it may have caused. We appreciate your patience and understanding during this maintenance period. We are committed to providing a reliable and secure platform for our users. We will continue to monitor the forum closely and address any issues that may arise. We are also working on improving our communication channels to keep users informed about upcoming maintenance and other important updates. The updated server infrastructure is designed to support future growth and expansion of the forum. We are committed to investing in the technology and resources necessary to provide a high-quality user experience. We encourage you to explore the new features and enhancements in the updated forum software. We believe that these improvements will make the forum a more valuable and enjoyable resource for our users. We also welcome your feedback on the updated software. Please let us know if you encounter any issues or have any suggestions for improvement. The server update process also involves several security measures. Firstly, access to the server was restricted to authorized personnel only. Secondly, strong passwords and multi-factor authentication were used to protect against unauthorized access. Thirdly, the server was monitored for suspicious activity and potential security breaches. Fourthly, regular security audits were conducted to identify and address any vulnerabilities. Fifthly, the server was protected by firewalls and intrusion detection systems. These security measures helped ensure the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of the forum data. The server update also included improvements to the forum's backup and recovery procedures. Firstly, backups are now performed more frequently and stored in multiple locations. Secondly, the recovery process has been streamlined to minimize downtime in the event of a server failure. Thirdly, regular testing of the backup and recovery procedures is conducted to ensure their effectiveness. These improvements help to protect against data loss and ensure business continuity. The updated server infrastructure also includes improvements to the forum's monitoring and alerting capabilities. Firstly, the server is now monitored 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Secondly, alerts are automatically generated when potential issues are detected. Thirdly, the alerts are routed to the appropriate personnel for immediate attention. These improvements help to ensure that any issues are addressed promptly and effectively. The server update also included improvements to the forum's logging and auditing capabilities. Firstly, all server activity is now logged and audited. Secondly, the logs are stored securely and can be used to investigate security incidents or performance issues. Thirdly, the logs are regularly reviewed to identify any potential problems. These improvements help to ensure accountability and provide valuable insights into server performance. The server update also included improvements to the forum's capacity planning and resource management capabilities. Firstly, the server's capacity is regularly monitored to ensure that it can handle peak loads. Secondly, resources are allocated dynamically to optimize performance. Thirdly, capacity planning exercises are conducted regularly to anticipate future growth. These improvements help to ensure that the forum can continue to provide a high-quality user experience even as traffic increases. The forum downtime was an unfortunate but necessary step in ensuring the long-term health and stability of the platform. We appreciate your understanding and continued support.